Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a simple Efo Riro recipe with us. But before I continue, I'd like to use this opportunity to appreciate everyone that has been liking and commenting on my videos. God bless you, I didn't take your support for granted. Efo Riro is a very common soup amongst almost all tribes in Nigeria, with each person and tribe having their own unique name and recipe for this soup. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing with us my simple, cheap and easy go-to recipe for making Efo Riro. Let's get started. To make this soup, I'll be making use of pepper mix, locust beans, roasted panda fish, dry shower fish, crayfish whole, crayfish powder, onions, seasoning cubes, pomo, salt, palm oil, cow offals, and of course amaranthus leaf, also known as efo tete. You can use any vegetable of your choice. First, I prepare my pepper mix. I wash and blended my tomatoes, scotch bonnet and onions roughly. Then I wash my cow offals, cook and cut into tiny bits. I did that off camera too. Next, I debone my panla fish. I smoked it off camera myself and I deboned it to remove the bones and the head of the fish. Then I deboned my dry shower too, and I went ahead to salt my whole crayfish. Next, I went ahead to wash my locust beans and chop some onions. Now let's go to the cooking proper. First thing I did was to put a clean dry pot on my stove, light the stove, and pour in some palm oil and heat it up a little bit. Then I went in with my chopped onions, locust beans and sauteed it for 2 minutes. Then I poured in the pepper mix into the oil. Next, I poured in the dry fish, crayfish and panla because the panla was really very dry and I need it to soften up in the stew. Next, I went in with the washed and diced pomo and the diced meat of cow offals, added some seasoning cube, and I allowed my pepper mix to fry on a medium heat until all the moisture in it dries up. I didn't add salt at this stage because it is Efo Riro and any slight mistake with salt and everything will go to waste. Meanwhile, while the steel base was frying, I picked, washed and chopped my vegetables and I drained it in a sieve. 30 minutes after, the stew has fried properly. I added the vegetable leaves and covered it for 1 minute. The reason I covered it was for the leaves to cook down so that it will be easy to stir together. Now I stir the vegetables. Meanwhile, as I've stirred the vegetables into the stew, I tasted it to be sure the salt and the seasoning is enough. And if it's not enough, you can add a little bit to your preference as I've done in this video. The vegetables into the stew very well to incorporate into the stew and I cover for another 2 minutes before taking off the heat. Our Efo Riro is ready. It can be eaten with any swallow of choice: eba, amala, semo, wheat, fufu, pounded yam. It You can also eat it with rice, plantain, and yam pottage. Actually, I love eating my vegetables with yam pottage and also with eba. Would you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.